Welcome back to Jumper Cable Dads. We've got a old Chinese four-wheeler.
The engine's trashed.
The engine's trashed. Previous owner, he said he was going about 30 miles an hour. The reverse mechanism broke, threw itself into reverse, and pretty much blew up the transmission. So the plan of what we want to do, we want to try to put the 420 in this four-wheeler.
Oh man.
It's small, but it's not too small. But the tires hold air. I put air in them a couple days ago, and they've been holding. The brakes kind of work. It's got mechanical front brakes, hydraulic rear brakes. Today, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get the engine out of this one, engine off the Murray, just kind of mock it up, see where we're at.
Oh, this is totally gonna work.
That's a fat boy in there, sir.
Totally offset it a little bit.
Alright, so I got all the parts in I think I need to rebuild the 420 from GoPowerSports. So right now I'm going to start cracking into this thing. And what this is going in, 420, it's going to go in this. New engine plate. Alright, got the head off.
Looks brand new.
This side.
Yeah. There's a glove stuck in that one.
Old rubber glove. So that was when I borrowed your carb. I put a glove over it and then rolling it around, moving it around in the yard, in the driveway, it eventually sucked it in. We're gonna replace the valve springs anyways. It's kind of dirty in there. .420 looks like it's gonna fit, and what I'm gonna try to do now is see if I can flip this whole rear end, the brake on this side to line up with the sprocket. Alright, so I flipped the axle and it looks like it's gonna work. It's gonna line up. We're gonna put the battery down here. We're gonna try to put as much of the plastics back on as we can. We're gonna have to probably cut out the center of the new sprocket and then drill to this bolt pattern.
Yeah, just send a drill right through it so we can just bolt it together. So this is going to be the new sprocket hub.
We got a little spacer for the engine, a 1.5 inch square tube left over from the jig from the cross cart. Thought that was a foolproof plan. Now I have to buy my wife a new tripod.
You got a roller.
Alright, now we need to drill it out and cut it off. And
Chop this off, throw a hole saw in the middle, put new holes in it, 4. Stick open.
the throttle is sticking open.
It turns really good, and it's very fast.
Very fast.
Yeah.
They about crashed into the garage. I got that on film. Luckily, I fixed the brakes before we did this test ride.
You were fine for the most part, just kind of putting down. And then when you came through and you hit the gas, and I was like, oh my God.
Oh, no, here it is. Here's the problem.
What?
This bend.
Oh.
See how it's sticking?
So we just need to put a little curve in that.
And then the exhaust is extremely loud. Need to look into a muffler. A lot of little things. Get the plastics on there and try to beautify this thing. Also probably should get some kind of swing arm chain tensioner, because when I sit on it, that's when it's hitting. So I cut out a little cardboard template. It pivots this way and pushes it up. So let me cut one out.